What you mean, bro? I ain't recording, bro.
Okay.
I don't record monkey videos no more. I stopped.
You used to do that?
My last video was. Let me
I
see.
broke my leg.
My last video was 4 days. My last video was 4 days ago.
Oh. You don't do that anymore?
Nah, I might just start up again. Just taking a break.
Oh. What's your YouTube?
kingmoneyk14 vlogs.
What?
Kingmoney
Money?
K14 vlogs.
18 blocks?
kingmoneyk14.
kingmoneyk14?
Yeah, vlog. Vlog
It's my first time coming back on this shit. So, what's up? Yo, kingmoneyk14 vlogs, right?
What's that? Let me see. I don't find it.
Last video, enough of that. I'm gonna stop.
Is it King Money or K Money?
King Money.
King Money K14?
Yeah, vlogs.
Like number 14 or like word?
Yeah, number 14. I got 143 subscribers.
Can't find you. What the heck?
You seeing it?
No.
Let me see.
Wait. See this?
No, it's no space.
Here?
All of it is not space. None of it is space.
Oh.
That's why. That's search it. That's my YouTube right there.
Yeah, that's you. Hey. Hey.
Yeah, that's
Hey.
Girls gonna always say,
my. Yeah, I told you, bro.
You got 11 views?
Yeah, I don't really post like that. But my thing was about to hit. This thing is about to hit.
What's that? TikTok?
Nah, that's my reel.
Your reel?
Yeah, I posted that from my Instagram. And that's, yeah. And I just had like 63 views.
I'm about to go sleep.
Alright.
It's 12 by me.
It's 12.
12, yeah, at night.
It's 4:30. 50, I mean. 4:53. Alright, good night. Have a good sleep.
Good night. Bye.
You ain't gonna give me no kiss? Good night?
My what?
A kiss, good night?
Yeah.
Alright, good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Added you.
Alright. Add you back.
Bye.
That's how you do it, know what I'm saying?
Hello?
You said what?
I said hello?
What's up, nigga?
What you doing?
Nothing, nigga. Checking my stats.
Checking your status.
Yep.
What you mean? On Instagram?
Nah, on YouTube.
You got a YouTube?
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber.
Period. What you make videos about?
Monkey videos.
Huh?
Monkey videos.
Oh, hell no.
Bro. So unless I say monkey videos, I'm not recording a monkey video, bro. Damn. My last video with Monkey was fucking 4 days ago. I don't drop Monkey videos no more, bro. It's done. I don't drop Monkey videos. I'm not dropping no more Monkey video. I got this. You. I don't really care.
No.
Who ugly kid is that?
Bitch, it's mine. That's why you can see your black ass up in the dark.
I can't even see you. Your kid ugly.
And Kyla gonna be feeding. You can take a day off, okay? You can take a day off. Oh!
People is weird, fool. Some people is weird on here.
Yes.
What's that?
Apple grape ice.
That's for y'all. Bruh, not you again, bruh. I just say that shit so they niggas don't copyright my shit. Fucking step on that nigga, bro.
What's his friend? He looks better than him.
I'm not gonna tell her to not open the door, right? While he's like arresting her, I'm gonna come out of the closet.
Hey.
Quez Kissing's not gay. Shut the fuck up, nigga.
Yeah.
Too many fucking pipe eggs on here. Niggas retarded.
Hey, this dude right here think he wants to see your
So